ISO 22000 2018. In this, we will discuss some important questions. What is the full form of ISO? Is the so generally we see a common questions. It is what international standardized organizations. A B is international standard organizations. C is the organizations for standardizations, and D is the international organizations for standardization. So right answer would be the international organization for standardization. Okay, the full form is international organization for standardizations. ISO is not international standard organization. It is not international standard organization. It is international organization for standardizations. Okay, then next question is, what is ISO 22000 2018? So ISO 22000 2018 for its PDCA, or B is ISO 22000 2018 is for FSMS or Food Safety Management System standards. So B is the right answer. It is not establishing the highest level of food standards. It only describes the management system standards. Not like that. It is ISO 20000 2018 is for FSMS or Food Safety Management System standards. What should be the food safety management systems? This describes about it. Then next question is, how many sections are present in ISO 22000 2018? So A says what? Section 8, B section 10, section 9, section 7. So right answer is section 10. So right answer is what? Section 10. It has 10 sections, and we will discuss these 10 sections in next few questions. Okay, so the next question is how many sections are present that we have discussed. Now section 9 says what? So section 9 says about the performance evaluations, or we can say the audit program. So the right answer is what? Performance evaluations. D is the right answer. What? D is the right answer. In that performance evaluations, generally we see that there is a audit, either it is from internal audit or external audit. In that, different monitoring and different measurement, analysis and evaluations, all these things are done. Okay, so by that you can see how effectively the food safety management system is utilized or effectively installed in the food industry. ओके कितना अच्छे तरह से वो FSMS सिस्टम इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ है, उसको हम इवेलुएट करते हैं इन सेक्शन 9, दैट इज कॉल्ड परफॉर्मेंस इवेलुएशंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Sorry, what is section 10? Section 10 says what? So it is nothing but improvement. See, whenever we do one audit or performance evaluations, so many gaps are developed. So after finding those gaps, you need to fill up that gaps. You need to establish kappa. There is corrective actions, corrections and corrective actions. By that what will happen? Improvement will happen. So the section 10 says about what? Improvements. Okay, then what does section 8 says about? Section 8 says about what? So it is saying about the operation. The most important factor or most important part is operations. Operation means uh, how the process is implemented. What are the different prerequisite programs present? What are the different emergency preparedness, different operations like traceability, then how to handle the emergency situations, then hazard analysis, validations of control measures like HACCP, hazard analysis and critical control point, and all these things are included in what? Operations. Okay, in that you will find verifications, analysis of results of verification activities, all those things are included in corrections, sorry, in operations, that is called in section 8. Okay, so the right answer is what? Right answer is A. It is all about operations. Okay, next question is, what does section 7 say? So you can see, before doing operations you need to see different support system. You need to have different support systems so that you can establish the operations with different infrastructures, different people, their level of knowledge, their level of competence. All these things are included in support. So for operations you need what? Support. So this section 7 section says about the support system present in the FSMS system. So the right answer is what? Section B. Sorry, answer is B. And section 7 says about what? It is all about support, like different resources. Okay, different. It is all about support like resources, competence, awareness, all these things. How are the different infrastructures, different support systems you have so that you can execute the operations? That is present in section 7. And next question is, what does the section 6 tells about? See, you need to have proper planning to know what are the different support system you need, what are the different infrastructures, and which infrastructures is having less risk, how the risks are mitigated. All these things, planning, you need to have proper planning of changes, objectives of food safety management systems, and planning to achieve them. What are the different food safety objective? For suppose quality department has the food safety objective of zero customer complaint due to degradations and deteriorations of food, like that, zero customer complaints is the food safety objectives. And what are the different planning to achieve that food safety objective? So section 6 tells about what? All the planning. So the right answer is what? Section is all about planning. So B is the right, sorry, not B, it is C. C is the right answer. C is the, it is all about the planning, like addressing risk. All these things are included in planning. So answer is C. Next question, what is the section 5 says? It is all about the performance evaluations, it is operations, it is planning, or it is all about leadership and commitment. So the right answer is D, all about leadership and commitment. D is the right answer. See, this leadership and commitment is important because a good leader will plan properly. A good commitment means there is a proper planning. You need to have planning, so that you need to have proper leader to have proper planning. So right answer is D. It is all about leadership and commitment, because in the next sections is what? Planning. Section 5 is for what? Leadership, and the next section is planning. So right answer is leadership and commitment is discussed in section number 5. Next question is what? What does the section 4 tells? It is just telling about what? All about the context of the organizations, understanding the organizations and its context. So 4 tells about basic understanding of organizations, like understanding the organizations and its context, or understanding the needs and expectations of interested parties. So many interested parties are there who are linked to the food industry. Suppose the customers, they are the interested parties and they have some expectations. So these are the things which are included in section 4, that is context of the organizations. Then so the right answer is what? A is the right answer. Then section 3, in next question, section 3 tells about what? So 7th question says that section 3 tells about terms and definitions. Different terms. What are the, suppose you want to know what is about food safety, FSMS, what is PRP, what is OPRP, what is hazard. So all these terms and definitions are defined in this section 3. Then next question is what? Section 12. Sorry, next question is 12. Section 2 says what? What is the section 2 says about? It is all about normative references, different references, okay, present for this standard. Then what is the section? Next question is what is the section 1 refers to? First section, it is telling about the scope. So the right answer is the scope is the right answer. Answer is option C is the right answer. Okay, with this we have understood what is scope. Different scope means what are the different areas of the food safety management systems, so that which area the food safety management systems will be covered, that is called scope. So the right answer is option C. Okay, so with this we have understood the basic things related to ISO 22000:2018, its different sections, what are the different sections present within it. Okay, so thank you a lot.